So the noise is coming from here. So you see this bolt there, we're gonna tighten it because there is a gap, like there is some looseness between this part and the other part down there. It's a 12 millimeter, so I have this extension, and you see it was loose. So let's see now. I will tighten it and I'm gonna show you after. So I tightened the bolt now, and when I was tightening, I was shaking the wheel a bit so the teeth can sit in their original place if there is a place already, like if the metal is already a bit worn there. And I tightened, and now no noise. So